Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and for today's episode I'm going to share to you all about the new collection of Louis Vuitton. So I'm providing you all the information that you need to know. Just kindly ready your phone and laptop to take a screenshot. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping. Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.
Alright guys, so the very first one that we are going to discuss is the Crafty collection. So first we have the Speedy 25 bandolier. Price is 4,150 USD. So it is made of monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. Colorway guys is in Dune. So of course, as you could see, it has crafty charm, and then of course it would come with the classic detachable leather strap, lock and key. So this is the closer view of the detachable crafty charm, which is made from different leathers from LV. Then we have the side trunk size side of east-west configuration, price at 4,850 USD, still from the Crafty collection. So same material of the Dune colorway of the monogram canvas, and of course on the side it would come with cowhide leather trims. So this is the closer view of the S-lock with the crafty details, looks like a bird also. Then of course the straps are made of leather. So we have a top handle and we have a longer strap so you could wear it as a shoulder bag. Then we have the very beautiful vanity chain pouch, price at 3,250 USD. So the crafty charm design is fully detachable, that also resembles like a bird. So this is the interior, like a caramel tone interior. Then this is the back side. So this is a close-up view of the crafty charms. As you can see, it has epi leather and it has like other vachetta leather trims with metal studs as well. So next on the crafty collection, we have the Moncerise mini backpack. We don't have the price guys, but please take note of the SKU, still from the crafty collection. So this is the back part. As you can see, it comes of course with a leather top handle that is in color pink, and then the backpack straps are fully detachable. So this is the interior. Then of course it comes with a drawstring for closure. So the crafty design is in the letter tab on the flap of the Moncerise mini backpack. Would you say yes to that one? Maybe perfect for travel. Then guys, how cute is this Nano Speedy? So of course, classic Nano Speedy design, micro bag, price at 2,400 USD. So the crafty part would be the detachable crafty bag charm. Then of course, this is the interior. It comes with gold tone hardware. So this is how it looks like when you're going to wear it as a crossbody, because of course it would come with detachable leather strap. Of course, you could carry it as a top handle like this one. So next on the collection, so we have the Never Full inside out. So price is 3,950 USD. So this is a 2-in-1 bag, so you could wear it reversed like this, wherein the outer part would be the leather. Then of course you could fully reverse it so that the monogram canvas in Dune would be the one displayed on the exterior. So of course you could fold it as well. It would come with detachable pochette. Then of course this is the crafty design on the S-lock closure of the bag. So next guys, we have the Kipo 45. So if you're looking for a travel bag, this is the perfect bag for you. So made of monogram canvas in Dune, it would come with cowhide leather trims. So as you can see, sans the bag tag, it would come with detachable crafty bag charm. Of course it would come with detachable straps, so you could wear this one as a crossbody. So this is a closer view of the detachable crafty bag charm. What do you think?
Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper,
D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, next what we are going to discuss will be a different collection. So let us discuss the Empreinte collection. So first we have the Pochette Métis Soft Size PM. Price of this one is 3,150 USD. Material is in the very beautiful green Empreinte leather with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is noir. So it would come with detachable leather strap with gold hardware. So I'm not really sure why they're calling this one a soft Pochette Métis, because honestly it kind of looks different from the Pochette Métis, although the design I really like something new from LV. Then of course I feel that the material looks really luxurious, just like with the all-in size MM. We don't have the price, but we do have the SK, so please take a screenshot. So this is the close-up view of the side of the all-in bag. So this is the interior, black on black as well. As you can see, it comes with fully detachable leather mini pochette, and of course the strap is fully detachable as well, and of course it is adjustable, so you could lengthen, you could shorten, depending on how you would like to carry your all-in bag. Then guys, just look at this very beautiful bag, Pochette Métis East-West. So now this is a Pochette Métis, so this is a classic design by LV in the East-West configuration. Price at 3,350 USD. Same material of Empreinte leather with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable leather strap. So of course, top handle that is non-detachable. It has a back pocket. Then of course, it would also come with a chain strap, so you could wear this one as a shoulder bag. Next on the Empreinte collection, this is a micro bag. We have the Madeline size Nano, price at 2,480 USD. Empreinte leather with cowhide leather design. So the chain strap is fully detachable like this. Of course, it comes with a non-detachable top handle. This is the interior made of fabric. Of course, guys, please take note that this is a micro bag or a nano size bag. So definitely you could just fit so much, but not everything else. So next on the collection, we have the Nano Boulogne bag. So again, another micro bag. Although this one, guys, you are going to see later, this is not a micro bag compared to the Nano Madeline. So price at 2,530 USD. It comes with two straps, so you could wear this one as a crossbody and even as a shoulder bag. So this is how it would look like when you're going to wear it. Maybe this is the same size as a pochette accessoire. Of course, I love the colorway, so bicolor monogram. So I have discussed some of these bags on my previous vlog, because as you can see, what I love about the bicolor Empreinte leather is if we are going to zoom in on the monogram, the colorway reminds me of maybe like a unicorn, a mermaid. So as you can see, the interior also is color lilac. So this on the go PM, it would come with detachable leather straps, so you could wear this one as a top handle, shoulder bag, and even as a crossbody. So perfect for travel. Of course, as you can see, maybe the only con of this one, it's fully open, so just need to be very careful of your belongings when you're going to carry this one. Then of course, they have the brand new Pochette Métis Soft size PM. So again, no price, but we do have the SKU here. Materials Empreinte leather with cowhide leather trims and the bicolor monogram. Colorway, by the way, guys, is link quartz. It would come with detachable leather strap. So this is the interior, so lilac or like a light violet colorway with compartments. Then it would come with a longer shoulder strap you could wear as a shoulder bag and even as a crossbody bag. Next on the collection, so we have a key pouch size small, price at 650 USD. So Empreinte leather with cowhide leather trim. This is really cute. So of course, classic key pouch design. So it would come with silver hardware, so the clasp is also made in silver. So this is the close-up view. So as you can see, this one, it kind of reminds me of a mermaid color or even as a unicorn with pink, turquoise. So beautiful and chic. So which one is your favorite? Happy shopping!
There, did you enjoy our episode for today? Guys, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a bag emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!